Hi, Ailian! So, for today's video, is kasama ko ang aking cousin.
Aray,
So, for today's video is, kakain siya.
may cousin kang vlogger. Ano yon?
So, forward ko na lang namin ito. Bye! So, for this video is, kuhanin natin to. And then, punta natin to sa kabilang bahay. Opo, sa kabilang bahay. Here. Sobrang, init. Sobrang init. Ito tayo. Yes! Bahay. Ang init eh. Parang ayaw kong lumabas. Ay, dito na ako. Sa labas. Paano ako na mangga? Di kayo. Init.
Ay, manggalit na.
Delivered the fatal shot. Security immediately grabbed binoculars to hunt for the shooter. I stayed in position with my sniper rifle, deliberately creating a glitch to make the Once I confirmed I'd been detected, I quickly broke down the rifle. I packed the components in my suitcase and planted a timed explosive under the bed. Making the room itself a target was the only way to properly cover my tracks. Before leaving, I hit the fire alarm to draw police attention, then calmly got into my pre-positioned car and drove away from the hotel. When the fleet of squad cars arrived, I circled back. I drove the bomb-ready vehicle back to the parking garage, then switched to my real getaway car. Even if the first car got caught on surveillance, the cops would never be
That's
able
all
to
for
trace it
today.
back.
So,
When the SWAT team
goodbye.
stormed the room, they walked straight in.